Caspa Beyond the Block. Okay, Caspa is the fastest, open source, decentralized, and fully scalable layer 1 in the world. Okay, the world's first block DAG. Okay, a digital ledger enabling parallel blocks and instant transaction confirmation built on a robust proof of work engine with rapid single second block intervals, built by industry pioneers led by the people. Okay, so in my based on my own research and my simple explanation, we can treat Caspa as a cheaper version of Bitcoin. Okay, so on our future videos, I'll uncover more information about the Caspa cryptocurrency, including its use case. But for this specific video, we're going to focus more on how we can install the Caspium wallet. Okay, so that in the future, if we have that chance to um, buy the Caspa cryptocurrency on a rock bottom bear market, we are already prepared, and we can store our Caspa cryptocurrency on the Caspium wallet. Alternatively, okay, if you haven't got any cold storage like a Ledger or the Tangem wallet, okay? Okay, so once you're on the Caspa website, you'll just need to scroll down and look for the options where you can install the Caspium wallet, okay? So the Caspa or Caspium wallet can be downloaded from the Apple App Store or Google Play for Android devices, okay? We can also see here the business partners and use cases and features, including the exchanges where the Caspa cryptocurrency is currently listed, okay? Okay, so what we're going to do is to click on Google Play, and we're going to install our Caspium wallet. We also have here some screenshots to have a visual on the interface of the Caspium wallet and how it will look like after we install the Caspium wallet on our mobile phones. Okay, so we're going to finally click on install. We're done with the installation of our Caspium wallet, so we're gonna go ahead and open the app. Okay, so after we install the Caspium wallet and open the app, this is the first page we have. Okay, welcome to Caspium. To begin, you may create a new wallet or import an existing one. Okay, so in my case, I haven't got any new wallet yet. This is my first time to install the Caspium wallet on my mobile phone. So I will click on a new wallet. Now on the next page, we'll just need to input or type in our preferred wallet name. Okay, and then click on next. Okay, on the next page, we have here require a password to open this wallet. Okay, you can use or you can create a password to add additional security to your wallet. Password is optional, and your wallet will be protected with your PIN or biometrics regardless. Okay, so for this one, I still clicked on yes. So you'll just need to enter your password and then confirm your password and then click on next. Okay, now on the following page, we have here safety first. Okay, in the next screen, this is one of the important steps. Okay, in the next screen, you will see your secret phrase. It's a password to access your funds. It's crucial that you back it up and never share it with anyone. If you lose your device or uninstall the application, you will need to enter or input your secret phrase to recover your funds. Okay, so we'll just need to click on got it. Okay, so for this one, we have an option to select a 12 words secret phrase or a 24 word secret phrase. What I did is to take note of my 12 words secret phrase and then click on I've backed it up. On the next page, we have here, are you sure that you've backed up your secret phrase? If you lose your device or uninstall the application, you'll need to input your secret phrase to recover your funds. So I'll click on yes. So on the next page, we'll just need to create a 6-digit PIN and then confirm our 6-digit PIN, okay? So whenever we log in to our Caspium wallet, we'll need to enter our 6-digit PIN for security reasons. And then right after I created my 6-digit PIN for the Caspium wallet, we're already on the landing page of our Caspium wallet. So just like that, we're done with the setup, okay? This is the landing page, and right off the bat, we have the option to view our transactions. We have the receive and send buttons. Now, on the top left, if we're going to click on the gear icon or the settings icon, we have here currency language, team, security network, context, advanced, backup, secret phrase, okay? And then on the lower part, we have an option to log out or switch wallet, okay? So what I did is to try and log out of my Caspium wallet. I want to test if I can log in again, okay, with my password, okay? So when I try to log in again with my password, I was able to log in, and there's also an option to reveal and hide the secret phrase, okay? This is the view for the 24 hours, and this is the view for the entire historical price action of the Caspium wallet, okay? So for us to be able to install the Caspium wallet and have the three assurance that we're downloading the Caspium wallet from the reputable source, I normally go to either a CoinMarketCap website or CoinGecko so that I can directly go to the website of the cryptocurrency we're supporting. So in our example, we're wanting to go to caspa.org. This is the website for the Caspa cryptocurrency, okay? Hi everyone, in this video, I'm going to show a tutorial on how we can install the Caspium wallet. Caspium wallet is the dedicated, decentralized, non-custodial wallet of the Caspa network, okay, or the Caspa cryptocurrency. Okay, during the time of our recording right now, Caspa is currently up by 3.4%. One Caspa is equal to 0.0854 USD, okay? So in the future, I'll be posting Caspa network or Caspa cryptocurrency related content for educational purposes, okay? And disclaimer statement for our Crypto Bayanihan Web3 wallets. All the information on our website is published in good faith and for general information purposes only, not financial advice. I encourage everyone to always do their own research whenever engaging in the volatile world of cryptocurrency. Thank you, and I'll see you again on our next video.